everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Ford Falcon convertible. Great car, guys. Complete documented body-up restoration. Love the color combination. This is factory Sliver Smoke gray, metallic, really pretty color. And then it's got the factory red vinyl interior in it, which is just a very unique color combination. You're definitely not going to pull into another car show and see one that color next to you. But very cool car. I love the color on this car. I think it's just got a real unique look to it. I think as you walk around it, it kind of flip-flops a little bit. It's really neat in different lights. And like I say, just a great car. Some of the stuff, like you can see this front grill's original on it, but not a whole lot to really nitpick. I've seen a couple of little stone pecks, but that's about it. Really, matter of fact, that's just a little bug. That'll come off of there. Looks like it's got new bumpers on it. Car's got a great sound to it. I actually bought this car from Jackie Jones. If you're a Ford person, that name should ring a bell to you. One of the coolest Ford collections I think there is. But nice car. Car's originally out of Tennessee. Was a body up restoration. We've got a picture book in the trunk. Everything all torn apart. Sorry. Got it. And can nitpick some of this trim here. It's original. Power top works real good. And I want to tell you, the one thing Jackie told me about this car, you can get in it and drive it wherever you want to go. He said, man, this thing just hits the road great. I love the taillights on these cars. I'm just a big fan of these cars, man. You just don't see them. There's just a little dust in there, guys. A little cleanup. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got BF Goodrich Touring TAs all the way around it. It's got the 14-inch American Racing Torque Thrust wheels. Great car. Fun car. Real nice on the bottom. Man, just a real cool color combination. This car is a factory 4-speed car too, which is pretty cool. Factory C code 289 car, so it would have been a 2-barrel from the factory. They've upgraded to a 4-barrel, and they've also put a Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, but the engine tag, they left that on there, so it's supposed to be the original block. Chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. It's got the factory stock exhaust manifolds. Everything's pretty much just bone stock, other than, like I say, they put a little cam to it and upgraded the carbon intake. Original VIN is still on your fender apron, which is nice. Factory, it's manual steering, manual brakes, which is pretty much the way these things came. It's got the FoMoCo radiator in it. Shifts out real good. I mean, it really hits the road nice. I'll take some pictures with the top down too. This is a remote mirror. It's original. You can kind of pick at it a little bit, but it does work. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. They've replaced the front seat. That's the original seat, rear seat. You can see there's a little, I'll show it to you on the other side. There's a little split on the other side. New floor mats on the way. Original steering wheel. Factory shifter showing 35,917. I'm sure that's 135. I do not know the miles since the restoration was done. Factory AM radio works. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. I think we're gonna have to check the fuel gauge. I feel like it was working and now it stopped, but we'll check it, make sure it works. Again, factory 4-speed car, factory rear axle. It's got a Thrush dual exhaust system on it, H-pipe with the chrome tips. Showboard goes with it. Of course, there's your boot. It's all sound deadened in the trunk too, which is nice when you're driving down the road. Factory jack with spare, and then like I say, they've got pictures of the car all torn apart when they brought it home. I think there's some even engine shots in this thing. Yeah, engine all torn apart and everything like that. Cam and stuff for it, so that all goes with it. Very nice underneath. It's all satin black. I've always been a fan of these Falcons. You don't see them, you know. If you're a Ford guy and you're looking for something different, there's a lot of Mustangs out there. There's not a lot of Falcons. I think both of these are original too on both sides. I showed a little wear. Oh, you know what I forgot to show you was that door tag. I'll try to, the original door tag is in place. There's your little split there in the rear seat. Rear seat's original. They have redone this one. It's got the front seat belts, which is nice because those were an option. Gauges look good. Again, radio works, blower motor works. It's got the original sill plates still on it. Door handles all look good. Front windshield's been replaced, and I think the rest of it's a factory Car-Lite glass. A-pillar chrome's really nice. Yeah, it's just a little baby doll right here. This thing just rides and drives as sweet as can be. I forgot to show you this A-pillar chrome. Original and still really nice. Again, door handles are new. And then your original door tag. Tag works. Temp gauge works. We're going to have to check it. But I think it even came up. It might just be that low on fuel. We'll have to check it. Love the tail lights on these cars. Great sound. Well, it's getting that time, man. It's starting to warm up, although we've got some bad weather in there today.
They were the team that issued the
radio
proposal.
works, blower motor works, parking brake works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you got a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys. Have a great day, guys.